Mix the slime.
Yes.
We
This
are not
and
mixing
this.
this one, but we're mixing those two.
Yeah, we're
See?
not mixing this one, because this one's my really favorite.
Yeah, and also on hers, you can also see her YouTube channel. I'll put it in the link description. Okay. All right.
So we're gonna mix. You get the green one. I'll mix this one.
Okay, we'll skip until it's time. Okay, we are back, guys. And now we are gonna mix the slime. All right, put it in this bowl. You have to put it in this bowl.
This bowl is bigger.
Right. Okay, ready? Here, hold it out like that. Show the camera.
See it? Show your camera.
Okay, now we're gonna mix. We're gonna mix it. All right,
Oh,
now
man.
let's show it to the camera and do it. Okay. This is a fun video.
This is a fun video. Just green takes over.
Yeah, the green takes over the pink. More pink.
Color pink.
Now we got it. Now we got.
Blue.
Is it mush again?
Do you know the slime is sticky?
Like on your Peter. Alright. Okay, let's take it out.
Okay, take it out. It's a Christmas color, I
Yeah.
guess. I don't know.
Right, now take your camera.
Go put it in a bowl.
Yeah, I can put it in.
Let's bring it.
You can leave it.
Hold on.
Alright, guys, so we just got home and we just had to run home,
Yes.
guys.
Oh, that was hilarious.
Yeah, we just ran away from our truck.
Yeah, let's put
See,
it.
that's what the results are of mixing the slime.
Oh, now it's finished mixing it.
No,
So-
let's take it out and show them. You take them out.
It's 2 pounds.
Take it out, dude.
I can't.
Show it. You can always wash your hands when you're done. Looks like a butt. Oh, it's just sticky.
Yeah, it's sticky.
See, that's what the results are. Oh, yeah.
Put it back in the container. Not want to roll your sleeves up.
Oh, I know. To put it back. I put it back on you. No, I got my sleeve. Oh, it's on a wall.
Yeah, like on a wall.
This is our slime area.
Oh, it's green. It's silver.
Now it looks ugly. Now it looks ugly. Here, guys, this is what it looks like. Looks really ugly.
Yeah,
Looks really ugly.
I can't even move my hands.
See, guys, it looks really ugly. Ew, that's nasty. Oh, that was funny.
I can't do mine.
Alright,